Hey Fario. So I wanted to show you how to sync up Google Scholar with the electronic article databases at the library. So if you click that little icon in the upper left-hand corner, these three lines, and then go to Settings, you will then click on Library Links. And mine's already set, but if it weren't, I would type University of Utah, and then um, mine was already clicked because I've set this in the past, but you go ahead and click University of Utah, get it at Utah, or get it at UU, and I would leave Open WorldCat because that's a really cool global database or online catalog for all of the libraries in the world that are online. So helpful. Then click Save, and what this will do, if we do a search for um, what we were looking for last night, co-parenting with incarcerated folks and non-incarcerated. And that's kind of like not the greatest search I've ever done as far as like creating keywords for this search engine, but we're going to go with it. Then these links here will take you to the full text sometimes. This is from Google Scholar. These links on the right-hand side where it says PDF are from the U of U. So I'm trying to find the one that we had yesterday. I think it had something to do with grandmothers or grandparents. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I'm going to imagine that this one is going to work for us. So this link here is from Google Scholar, and it's kind of hard to see where you would open the full text, but it looks like it's right here. However, if that prompted you to pay 40 bucks or whatever, the PDF link in the right-hand side is from the U of U, and that should take you to the full text. I hope that that makes sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. Just give me a text, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.